हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी क्लास 10th की सीरीज़ में आज हम देखेंगे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड in which we will see the feature of mail merge. Mail merge allows you to create a document that can be applicable for more than one candidate for a same matter. Just like we can type invitation letters or any order letter for multiple participants. So one thing you should know that in mail merge we create two documents. First document is used to create the list of participants or list of candidates for whom you have to prepare that particular letter or email or invitation, and another document will have the main content. So for the purpose of understanding, we are using the same document for the main content, and during this mail merge process we will create the list of candidate as another document. Mail merge can be used by using the mailing tab. So we will click on the mailing tab, and here you can see start mail merge first. So first we will click on letters. After clicking on letters, we have to use the same document as main document. So I am removing it and preparing this document only as a main document. Suppose we are creating an invitation letter. So we can use a decorative text because we have to create an invitation letter here. Then we will type our matter. You can apply different formatting feature as you want. I am making a text little bigger so you can see it clearly. Invite. You can have the text decorative as you want. So our matter is ready. Now what we have to do, because this is the main document and here only we write the name of recipient at the left hand side. So what we have to do, we have to go first in the mailing tab and we will also select some of the recipients, but we have not created any list of the recipients. So first we will type a new list. Here you can see so many headings. You can change the heading according to your convenience because these are the default headings. So you can change these headings accordingly. So what we will do customize columns. Whatever column you want to delete, that you can delete, and whatever column you want to keep, that you can keep. So we will delete, or also you can rename also. Home phone, we want a mobile number, right? So we will rename it by using the rename option, and here we can have mobile number. So we have these 4 fields for a particular candidate, and now we have to fill the values. जिन जिन candidates को आपको ये letter भेजना है वो आप यहाँ पर mention कर देंगे. You have to type a list of participant here. You can create accordingly. Our recipient list has been created. Now we will do OK. First we have to give a name. I told you to create two documents. So one document is of MS Word and second document is of MS Access, or we can say it is a document as database. So I am having this document as list 1. It is not a document, it is actually a database that has the list of recipient in a organized manner. So after adding all the recipient, if you want to edit or add more or delete some of the recipient, so again you can click here and you can get your all data here. Now what we have to do, we have to include the all names here. So what we will do, first we will write insert merge field. Here you can have under the mailing tab only you can have write and insert field. So you will have insert merge field. So what field we have taken, that we will insert in our letter, that is first name, then we have the last name, then city, and then mobile number. But these field will be displayed as it is as you have entered. So we will have some kind of formatting, like here we can have some gap. City we want in another line, mobile also we want in another line. Also you can change its font. It is a default font, so you want some decorative font, so you can also change the font of these recipient. Like here I am taking some kind of decorative font like handwriting. So this way you can have the see the whole letter. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to create the invitation for all the participant. So what we will do, we will go again to the mailing tab, and now the final step is to merge the document. Here you can preview the result also. First you will preview the result, so you can see what candidate we have added that are visible here. This is the first candidate. Again you can click on this arrow, so you can see all the candidate here and you can preview all the things. Now final thing what you have to do is the finish and merge. In this directly you can either print all the document or directly you can mail. We don't need to print right now, first we are creating it, so we will click on edit individual document and we will do OK. So now you can see here one time it is coming, you can press enter here. Here you can see that all the letters has been created for every participant or every candidate separately. You can see that we have created only one letter. Now it is prepared for all. I think it is okay for everyone. We can see all document together. In this way two documents can be seen together. Again I am revising the step. What you have to do, you have to go on mailing tab, start mail merge, click on letters, then you have to first prepare your letter, then you have to create the list of recipient, that by clicking on type new list. Then after that you have to add the merge field, because here already we have done, this is the final document. So here you have to do insert merge field. First we will insert the merge field here, and then you can format also and you can place at a proper alignment also. And then what we have to do, finish and merge. Before that you can preview also. So I hope you all understood that how to create the mail merge in MS Word. Thank you so much.